Hey, quick question. Aren't you tired? I want to know what not giving up on myself feels like. So if you share this feeling too, let's get on with making 2024 our comeback year. I know the name might sound funny, but it's about setting one or two main goals for every quarter of the year and focusing majorly on them. For real, it's effective, it's within a shorter time frame, it BS's procrastination, and it's easy to adjust. Now, how does it work? Get a pen and paper because you're going to need it to write this down. First, you write one or two goals, each from an aspect of your life. Feel free to remove or add. Then, for the next 12 weeks, stay with me. You're going to pick one goal or two to intensely focus on. So just begin the goal around an aspect of your life that you desperately want to change. It could be going to the gym, making this amount of money, or having great skin. Pick that. Secondly, break it down. This is stating how your goal is going to be achieved. Let's say your goal is to exercise for 45 minutes, 4 times a week.
Wow.
You need a workout plan and a dieting plan as well. Thirdly, write a quarter overview. It's basically what's going to happen within the next 12 weeks and the action steps you're going to do. This could be using week 1 to research what workout plan is best, to work out with body weights, or to have a gym membership. Week 2 could be setting up your dieting plan, finding out what foods you have at the moment and purchasing the rest you need, supplements, whey protein. Week 3 could be to complete at least 2 workouts that week. It could be 1 upper body day and 1 lower body day, depending on your plan. At the end of every 3rd week, go to check in on the progress you've made within those 3 weeks. This would help you immensely to keep track of your goals and how you're moving. If you haven't been taking notes, I made a format that you can download. Just comment, come back, and I'll send you the link. Now, there are multiple videos out there which can help you make a comeback this year, but I wouldn't suggest this 12-week year plan if I didn't see the potential in it. Everything majorly still boils down to how committed and how pained you are to follow through with it. If your luck can shift in just 90 days, how much throughout the rest of the year? Right after watching this video, download the format and get started on it. Don't just be motivated. Do the work, okay? Happy New Year, by the way, since it's the first video I'm posting this year. Thanks for watching. Peace out.